Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, September the 5th. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. This one will be number 9219. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. 14 and 14 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. I think the 4th O in this column should be here, because then we have here 2 1s, and then we have there also 2 1s right in the middle. Alright, here one, there one, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes no, between the 1s comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.